What's up, creative people? It's your boy DuBBEmpire back again with another video. As you can see, we are outside with it today on this beautiful sunny day. So today we're going to be talking about what an ND filter is. That's a neutral density filter. I'm going to show you guys when to use it, how to use it, and why you should use it. Alright, so stay tuned. So the ND filter is used to reduce your shutter speed so that you can follow the 180-degree rule so you can get the proper exposure for your picture. So the 180-degree rule is simple. Your shutter speed should always double your frames per second, okay? So if you're shooting at 24 frames per second, your shutter speed should be over 1/48 or 1/50. If you're shooting at 60 frames per second, your shutter speed should be 1/120. So the ND filter comes in different variations. The more light that you want to block out, the higher the number is for the ND filter. As you can see, I got 3 ND filters. There's the ND filter 4, the ND filter 8, and the ND filter 16. So the ND filter 4 is for golden hours. So if you're shooting on sunrise or sunset. The ND filter 8 is for when it's cloudy outside but it's bright. It's not really any direct sunlight. And the ND filter 16 is for when it's completely bright outside and the sun is shining bright. Alright, so just keep that in mind when you're trying to decide which ND filter to use for your camera. Using the ND filter is very important because it will avoid the overexposure in your pictures. So sometimes you get that overly white exposure and it just doesn't look professional in your video. So please avoid that at all costs. So that's enough of me talking. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, with the ND filter, there's a lot of contrast. You can see the colors better, and without the ND filter, it's extremely too bright. So you want to avoid that, alright? This applies for both the camera and a drone. Okay, you guys, that's my time for today. I appreciate you guys checking out my channel. If you could please leave a like and a comment below, I would greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys want to see in my next videos. And until then, I see you guys later, alright? Deuces.